Don't junk the old or broken power supply that's useful. Let's test your power supply to see if it is still working or busted. With this video tutorial you will learn how to test it. Just follow what you see. It's simple, but honest video working. Find the thin copper wire. As you see this wire, get one and cut it for 1/2 inches length. Bend this wire as letter U. Let's go to the main cord wire of your power supply. Locate the color green wire. If you want to ask why color green wire, what for? The green wire stand as a ground wire or neutral wire for direct on the power supply. Try to count 1, 2, 3 and 4 slot. The number 4 is the green wire. At this point get the thin wire form as letter U. Then insert it to number 4 and number 5 slot. The number 5 is black color wire. You must memorize this part. It's important guide. Look at carefully now. This the thin wire form as letter U. Insert in slots 4 stand for green wire and number 5 slot. To make your work secure, get some electrical tape or any tape to cover the wire to avoid electrical shock or accident. Always remember, in aspect of working engage electricity, safety first, the most important. Let's try now to test the CPU fan. If it's working, need to connect the female and male socket, the black slot from power supply, and the white slot from CPU fan, then insert. Get your main cord put to the power supply, then plug to outlet socket. Let's see if everything works. As you can see now, the CPU fan working properly, and the power supply stand alone with our motherboard and CPU and memory. If you try to ask what purpose for this all, by using CPU fan, you can make it as blower to your cell phone. If it is overheating like long online cell phone getting hot. Or the CPU fan, use it to your DSL modem blower. Or to your laptop blower, make it 2 CPU fans, and make some frame. That's my best advice, hoping you have learned upon watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel, and share this video to your friends in other social media platforms.